Wait, I have a question. Tommy, are you tier 3 sub to me?
Everyone, let's mute up. I've got biscuits left.
Tommy, listen to me,
Oh my god, no, I am sick of your fucking bullshit, bitch. I want a moth and I want one now. I want a pet moth and I want to name it Clementine. Where are you? Thank you.
I'm getting my fish back tomorrow, Tommy. And you're either gonna hand it to me nicely, or I'm gonna make you.
Stand up.
Tommy?
I think the server just crashed. Oh, come on, damn,
Oh
Callahan, we were getting into it. Ban Cobblestone. How dare you say that Cobblestone is the block? Cobblestone is the block. Oh my god, if Cobblestone was a woman, you don't want to know what I'd do. What the fuck, man? I'm seeing things.
Tommy, I told you not to drink the seawater.
Oh, well, I did drink the seawater because it told me to.